Welcome again. Let's write our first Swift program. We will write a single line of code which will output a text message to the debug area. Let's open Xcode and create a new playground file. From Xcode's file menu, we select New and then Playground option. From the next screen, we select Blank Template under iOS section. Click Next. Let's name our playground file Hello Swift and click Create. We can see the playground file with couple of lines of starter code. Don't worry about the code for now. Let's delete them so we can start from scratch. We are ready to write our first line of Swift code. Don't worry if it looks scary. Just write the code exactly as shown, then tap the play button. The playground executes our code and the text appears on the debug area. In Swift, we use print command to see the results of our code. Here we print the text Hello Swift. We need to be careful about few things here. The print must be written in lowercase letters. The text must be enclosed in a pair of double quotation marks and then put inside parentheses. Otherwise, Swift compiler will complain about syntax not being correct. We will learn about syntax errors in the next part.